By the way, make I was watching a petrol near too.
Tomorrow, petrol is going to go high. Ghanaians, petrol is going to go high. They close down.
The Iranians have closed the canal.
Yeah.
Why? So petrol will start coming again.
No.
Akosia welcome. Akosia men. Okay, so maybe the early primaries need there. I totally agree with it.
Okay.
And Mubakaya platform we also we had a lot of conversations on how to reorganize the party. Why hey platform issue. Yaka. Moka communications. Yankwa we yanimpenyu fonko kasa. Me say I was one of the people who went to talk and advocated for early primaries. Unimyentia. Yampo. The presidential candidate no. Ono ne se one yen penyufo no ebeye adwuma. Make a party. The party hierarchy. They see a young early primaries now. Sa nipa 6 year you amuti. Obia eba be pushi se ni nipa ebeko for polling station. Ni nipa beko for constituency. Ni nipa beko for region. Na ni nipa ako for national. Mamu Refi say we are in opposition. We cannot afford to be wasting money.
Very good.
We have to go through all this and still plan for election 2028. And when you are in government, you have access to opportunities as a political party to get money. No, say some opportunities ni. It's ye ba ma yen candidates all 6 or 7 of them. So beyond conquer sponsor and crofo, then they'll go and fight over those positions. Because obedient win. Apart from that, secretary and the acrimony. And then you never know who those win. Media, you know I'm for Dr. Baumia, so for me, I'm hoping Dr. Baumia win. Assuming say Dr. Baumia win. Na ubakwa asiye hono group ha Kennedy Nkrofo kakra hye ha, Brian Nkrofo kakra hye ha, Educhum de hye ha, we de hye ha. They will be listening to who sponsored them to come there.
Yeah.
And that is what happened to us in the last election. Since I didn't plan to say more on here, Juma Mawa, or to what take a party position. And was one koye Juma party. It's ye presidential candidate, ye. Obia opeso call for polling station, wouldn't him so bet mini presidential candidate now ye admitting a walk. You are going because of the party. You are going because you want us to win elections. You are not going because Obiako elections will lose to our vendetta the agenda. So for me, it's one of the best decisions we could have taken. Young quiet early primaries. Ye presidential candidate ni say pain. They didn't even have a question. Obo Montias, you know, Omesa Lantramantia, ni ayo bye. We still have 3 years. Yayo bye. See you later. Now Musuko. Other candidates now still. Party for no, they'll come, they'll bring their people, and we all because say the main thing is to win power. Ye jai say ye be to send ye the last time now, ye start here free as here now. We are ye say a criminal who court issues ni up and down. Sister ye and we don't have time. We have barely 3.5 years. Matiti say aspirants ni say more I don't know whether it's true that they said they are going to court over it. Me per the MPP constitution that I have read, no, the council I think that is the neck. They have the power to set the date for our primaries and how our primaries should run, and the constitution gives them that power. So they've done it. What they have to do now is for all of us to meet on the July 17th, and then we all agree or disagree. It's what I want to ask you, and Fabra Nabetre and Yenti are doing say your early primaries at the July conference. So we badly in Naya to me, Nako to Yabani and Naya say your beko. In fact, when you call to Krabeko, we'll go for the early primaries. So as it is in the day, they say automatically I started your presidential primaries in Wedma. To be an campaign money candidate. For me, I think say cut down cost. De what party no na conform omo bubefu ombekọ ni amomo bye alanchramantin ko ye party ni nguye party ni enguye NDC papa ya na onu kura ade omo wey you know kura eagle no dey say guzitando okọ ye party na ngu Franca games na go do tin no party na ngu enti ewie na obi so onti no ho ase na ono hwehwe kwa at least we have 3 years onko na chidi no so me a true elephant true MPP the island grow from bebere mafie they have come home. So me, I think it's one of the best decisions that we can make. The earlier, the better. Maybe I mean, I can't December granny and to know. New year with a brand new president. But almost say 31st, no problem. Yen na yen shisha ya hunde yanko. John Mahama dear. Yanin will be kind. As I saw on the NDC because this 4 years is just a glitch. Omu be firm muke come be send ye man. Ni na ye who send ye city. By the way, make I was watch na petrol near too.
Tomorrow, Petro is going to go high. Ghanaians, Petro is going to go high. They closed down.
The Iranians have closed the canal. Why? So Petro will.
But no need. Ghana Hanu say, why not say, or what the right sense? And I say, Nyamia born in Nyansa. Our best sorry say, the idea won't to me no, yen fine yeno, because or ye Ghana ni, while your man before or your way, as any panel, some course psychiatry. On me country me didn't na make us ye wo krom anu mo se muntu mi aye bibi otu galam say ma de ne concession nyina afri ne nsam still insuo na ehunhun no eda so ho that means say nyansa be ka kire wo say na enye wuntu mi na ehun nsuo no eno ye 1 2 ye wo krom anu ma ye de nkrofo akogina court say o madi o man ni sika ukọ senator $72 million Oko punisika wadi sagrame $200 million. Ni enya abanyo ono aba oso be fight corruption or be fight bad this. No no etimi abeja asa nkrofo we nyina so mo fam hundi yo me mo ndi yo masem. Eni ya die sika na na ase ya panishe sa nkrofo no. No be ka kire me say mimi nkoja no no nkochi wuntumi ne nko panishe no. Ana yenchi MPP ni bi. Chief, yenchi MPP ni bi. Oh. Yanchi MPP ni bi ni yankwaji sika wane ho ewo bra wo Ghana sika na bi no obi edi 200 million na wo amo wafa ne ho akodi na ho no so wo right sense obe support sa de we ni enya nkrofo bi wo kroma say hadenti ne support huntumi na nipa no wadi bone ni refi so obi edi 200 million pata obobo ye krentimi fa ponchi ntum se wo free himpo na oba ya saya adwena yo mo de kasa no se free na yo mo de kasa
na all blind ya no mo kasa wutumi adibon obi dị na court
na me kasa o de ne court kra me ba be support because obi awie 200 million ye jano ma ne ko 72 million ye jano charge a wo de bo wutumi kra ska mo ka kra ndu sa ska no na wo se me be support o esen se
o mo se wutumi akwadilo
Maybe minimum point no. Member support to NDC.
Me as quite me support to me there. About politics. Enya gardeners. About politics. How I be win power. Enya obi awako school. Me the chairman team by example. Now UTV boy yam. Emma grassroots for the kobo wula ho. Hwe the chairman team. And there you kwa ye ho. And the media now authority a boy yem sama yoko opposition. But I just say yakophobia. Oh, one dear, what near ma say ye pobia or ye late. Later dear make kabibia 2028. Ye pellet bia chamayu.
And you also enter me was our question. And you do it and say by a kind say sympathy vote no abwa any leadership in Ghana. One kind of politics.
A nipa na mua, a nipa na ye presenting no. And no na beboa, sympathy vote ebeboa. And ye nipa akwaya chama. And it's what I say. Ye me dem me hu.
Owusu nyo kamin twa no. Ye owusu kanu si
se ma o ti fara de sin 1 minute now o to abamo. Oni le you want about first. Oni
me dia me slam PP for delegate. Ye fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mla. me sa pe Justice Kodua me pe Chema Untumi me pe Moses Abo eba organizer me enkafo ni mienu na se Moses emba akona me pe eba our commission eba woman organizer me power commission but sir ye be ka se ye pe power ne de eba governance Dr. Baumia woni team odi bebu amamu no but eba party ayi dia ye pomo mani eden eba sikasema omu yi a ebe boa ma party no utumi obi o TV first can ada no utumi obi a LDC TV first can mo wulam but ye wo ko for bia LDC betim discount boy wulam ni nyo sa wo cheke
Ah,
eno na
also
case
also Gideon
and the case
Bow.
2015